Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Park the truck on level ground 25 feet from a flat wall and measure the headlight center height from the ground to the headlight center. Mark the wall at the headlight center and place a second mark exactly 2 inches below that center line to set your desired cutoff. Ensure the truck is unloaded and tire pressures are correct. Have basic tools ready: a flat screwdriver, Phillips, and a socket set to access the adjuster screws on the headlight assembly, and keep a tape measure and masking tape handy for accurate marks. Open the hood and locate the vertical and horizontal adjusters on each headlight assembly. These are typically small screws or hex posts reachable from the front or top. Turn the vertical adjuster slowly to move the beam up or down, and use the horizontal adjuster to move the beam left or right, watching the pattern on the wall and aiming the top cutoff to the mark 2 inches below center at 25 feet. Make small adjustments, about 1/4 turn at a time. Then recheck the beam and repeat until the pattern aligns with your marks. Confirm both headlights produce the same cutoff at the 25-foot wall test, and that the top of each low beam cutoff sits at the 2-inch below center mark without creating glare for oncoming drivers. Tighten any mounting fasteners you loosened and recheck alignment. If the pattern shifts after tightening, readjust and secure again. Test drive at night to ensure beams remain stable over bumps and verify aim at different loads. If irregular beam patterns persist, inspect bulbs, headlight housing, or suspension ride height before repeating the aim procedure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.